Hey guys, it's me again, and some of the girls may not like this, but if you're a boy, you're gonna think this is totally awesome. I was hesitating for this, but I just said, yeah, let's do it. So we are gonna do long burps, okay? Don't think I'm crazy, please. Oh man, I just really half and half. I was like, should I? No. Yeah, I will. Yeah, no. So let's do it first. Ready, guys? Oh, that was really bad. Sorry. I almost burped the ABCs once, but I was like my throat was like dead though. Like almost like. Wait, let me try again. Okay, that was better, but still, not the best. I don't really think this is necessary though. Do you? Well, some boys may say yes, but look, hey guys. So now we've just got the basics. I'm gonna say words while I say it. First let's do donuts. This is a funny one. There's another funny one I'll do next. Okay. Donuts. Sorry, that's my dad. Looks like I'm gonna have to end the video, but thanks for watching. Okay, guys, I know that was short, but so I've got another one. So, guys, if you would do a like, we will be giving out this Liano Messi limited edition, bro. It's I was bought all my money just to try to get that, and I got on my last pack. Okay, guys. Also, please do a thumbs up, and I may think of giving this to you, and it'll be a better chance because not much people really view me. So, bye, and have a good time. Okay, bye.